Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a 4-prong replacement knob. So we'll go ahead and open up Design Spark Mechanical. I have some basic dimensions for this, but I'm basically going to just be kind of winging it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go to File, create a new design. We'll go ahead and change this to Plan View. And then we're going to come over here to File, go to Design Spark Options, and make sure that this is in units, is in inches. So we'll go ahead and change that to imperial. Go ahead and click OK. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is I got a picture of this graphic. We want it to be, looks like 1.125 in diameter. So we're going to go ahead and get our circle tool, and then we'll go from the center there and we'll type out 1.125, and then we'll do Control plus to zoom in. Okay, this is going to be a 4-prong. So what we need to do is get a rectangle tool. So we'll go ahead and get this 3-point rectangle, and we'll define from center. Then we're going to go ahead and drag that up, and we want to make it like point one's not wide enough. Let's go to the regular rectangle, define from center. We'll click and we'll drag out. Let's make that about, let's go 0.3, so there'll be some room for you to grab the knob there. Okay, now we're going to grab another one, so we'll go rectangle, define from center, and then we'll do one out here. We're going to type in 0.3 so it matches the other one. Oops, something happened there. Let's undo that. Let's go tab 0.3. Okay. Now we have our little knobs in there. Okay, so what we want to do is let's go ahead and get our line tool. We're going to put a line there, and then we're going to go ahead and put a line over here. Okay, so we have an actual point. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get our 3-point arch, and we'll click. Let's go from that corner there up to here. Didn't really need those lines after all, and then we'll go ahead and just end it there. Alright, now we'll go ahead and get our trim away tool. Let's get rid of these. Let's get rid of all those. Okay, we really only need this piece right here to rotate around. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get our select tool, hold down Control key. We're going to get those there. We're going to go to move, then we're going to create pattern. We're going to drag this to the center, and then we're going to spin this around and then let go. So we have 4. Okay, now we'll go ahead and get this trim away. Let's go ahead and get rid of those. Okay, this looks pretty good. This is going to be our knob right here. The only other thing we need to do is cut these down shorter. So what we'll do is go ahead and put a line in here from the center. This is going to be 0.647. So we'll go ahead and get another line, and we'll go 0.647, enter. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we can actually move this over. So let's go ahead and move. We'll select that line, and then we'll actually undo. We're going to go check this up to, and we're going to go up to that point there. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing there. We're going to click on that line, hit move, and then we're going to move. Let's change the anchor point. So we're going to go right here, anchor here, and then we're going to select this up to, and we're going to go up to here. Actually, that didn't move it. Oh, 0.647. Let's just put another line in there. So we'll go from here, type in 0.647, enter, and then we'll select. We're going to go click on the move. We're going to move that line, and then we're going to go up to this point here. Okay, now we have the knob that we need. We'll go ahead and get trim away, get rid of these. Alright, that's going to be our base knob. I'm going to round the corners a little bit. So we'll go ahead and get this create rounded corner. We'll go 0.07, and then we'll do the same on these. Don't like corners to be sharp, especially if you got to grab onto them and turn them. This will be smoother. Okay, so that's going to be the base. We'll go ahead and get our trim away tool, get rid of these. Get rid of that one there. Probably these little ones too. Oops, need that one. Okay, so now we'll control minus the back out. We're going to add some thickness to this. Just checking, I see what this is going to be. So 7/8 is the height. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go to the mode, 3D mode. Let's spin this. Go ahead and pull that. Just type in 0.5. Okay, that's going to be good there. Now let's double click so everything is selected. We'll go to pool and we'll put a fillet on this. Oh, 0.05. Okay. Check a couple more details. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put a select there. Go to plan view. I'm going to go ahead and grab a circle. We'll go 0.25. Spin this. Needs to be a little bit bigger. Let's undo this. Give there a circle right there. Let's do 0.5. No, that's too big. 0.4. 0.4 is about right. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and spin this. Grab the pull tool. Go ahead and pull that straight through. Okay, now we're going to spin this around the back. We're going to select that. Change that to plan view. We'll go ahead and get another circle. Make this 0.6. Now we're going to go pull. Let's select both of those. Pull that out to 0.25. Okay, that's going to be our knob right there. And then we want to go ahead and put some fillets on here. So we'll go ahead and double click everything there. Let's type in 0.5. Don't look like it did it. Okay, undo. Let's pull that one more time. Oh, 0.5, okay. Now let's go ahead and get this pull. We'll go ahead and pull this. Let's do 0.2. We're going to grab that one there too, pull that. Oh, 0.4, I believe that was. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and spin this around. Now we need to put a, let's go ahead and go to here, click this, go to plan view, get our circle. Let's type just the 0.25 hole. We're going to go ahead and spin. Let's go to pull, and then we'll just drag this straight through. Okay, this is going to be our knob. And the only other thing we're going to do with it is go ahead and put a fillet in right here. Go 0.3, and then we'll put one in here. Go 0.02. So your screw will fit down in here, and then this will go on wherever your knob needs to go, and then you can put a washer in here. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. View that from the top. It's a simple 4-point knob, replacement knob. You could pretty much make the dimensions here any size you want, provided that they're the size that you need. So you're going to want to measure your the screw that goes in there, give yourself a little bit extra room, and then you're going to want to measure the bolt size or the nut size, give yourself a little bit extra room. Then that's basically about it. Then you give yourself the right length there for the screw to go through. Make sure you put all your chamfers and fillets so there's no weak spots, and then you have a decent 4-knob replacement knob. Okay, it's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Thanks again for watching.